conversations at Baba's Lotus Feet, for the first time it was thought that just like the annual convocation of Sri Sathya Sai University at Prasanthi Nilayam, which is held each year on the 22nd of November, there should also be an annual convocation or a convention of graduating Bal Vikas students of Group 3 from all over India. And we're pleased to learn that on the 4th and 5th of January, this program was unfolded in front of the Mahasamadhi of our beloved Bhagwan at Prasanthi Nilayam. The idea was that this would become an year-on-year event. A new tradition has been set, so that instead of these graduates graduating in states, that they should all assemble at his lotus feet. And next year as well, we would have this convocation for graduating class. And I'm a proud parent that those two young children are part of Bal Vikas. Year on year, the teacher tells the mother and the parents that I've never seen a child more prim and proper, who conducts herself with such confidence, who conducts herself with absolute calmness in the class. She eats the way. So, I credit all of this to Sri Sathya Sai Bal Vikas. What is ultimately we are doing through this class? We are not in any way propagating Baba's mission. We are only making these young children to be better citizens of India for tomorrow. I'm told there are 1 million children across the country who have actually graduated from Sri Sathya Sai Bal Vikas. I think that calls for a round of applause. 1 million number is not a small number, brothers and sisters. 1968, it all started as a small little thing, and today we have students all across the world who have graduated the 9 years of Bal Vikas. 1 million souls out there going and doing good work, at least spreading positivity in the lives of others.
क्योंकि समूह गान हमारे अंदर एकता, पवित्रता एवं दिव्यता का विशेष आभास कराता है। तो आइए अब हम आनंद लेंगे समूह गान का।
Swami always said that My life is my message, and his life is basically being his mission and therefore his message. And therefore Swami and his mission are nothing but the same, basically two sides of the same coin.
Lakhs and lakhs of people suffering. What is the ultimate purpose of life? Is to give. Start giving. See the joy of giving.
Swami had formed three wings of the organization: spiritual, education and service. And this is what he said to all of us. Members of the Sai organization must carry on their work with the firm faith that all are children of one God. They must carry on their service activities in a spirit of unselfish dedication to the divine. The practice of pure, unselfish love is the only way to attain God. They should purify their hearts and minds regarding their bodies as the temple of the divine.
And Sai Protein is one such endeavor that we need to really work towards in ensuring that whenever either we're doing Bal Vikas or we're doing some kind of Narayan Seva, we have to take this particular message of Swami and ensure that it becomes a success. With the supplement, they're ensuring that the children who are not able to grow properly are getting this diet and are able to not only grow physically, but also their mental activities and capabilities are built up much better.
We are indeed a fortunate and blessed generation of children who have had this great opportunity to be a part of the Bal Vikas program, which has not only instilled in us the way we think, it has also changed our goals and priorities in life. Bal Vikas is a journey from I to we and we to he. I speak the truth when I say the defining moment of my life was when I joined Bal Vikas class so many years ago.
बाबा की कृपा से बाल विकास में आकर हमें अपने जीवन के लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने का सुअवसर मिला। श्री सत्य साई बाल विकास में हमने जाना कि हमारा स्वरूप, मानवीय मूल्य जो हमारे ही अंदर निहित है, उसे पहचानो, विद्या का दीप ज्वलंत किया, सेवा का मार्ग दिखाया है। बाल विकास का दीप लिए अब लोक विकास की ओर चलें। प्रेम और शुभ कर्मों से हमने ये दीप जलाए हैं। जीवन का हर पल मोती है, मोती स्वामी से पाए हैं, मोती स्वामी से पाए हैं, मोती स्वामी से लाए हैं। ओम साई राम।
In the Ragam Vasanta, the Talam is Rupaka. This was composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar. Ramachandra Abhayami Raghukula Tilakamu Vetram. Ramachandra Abhayami Raghukula Tilakamu Vetram.
A very loving Sai Ram to all of you. I am emotional standing here at home, so surcharged with memories, pulsating with divine grace. As I stand here, I see myself almost 35 years back, when I myself was an enthusiastic Bal Vikas student. I have always believed that Bal Vikas is a well-packaged personality program which truly develops the character of children. It is a gift given by Bhagwan Baba which actually blossoms the child. I would like every child that has passed out from Bal Vikas to give back to society in your own way. Some of you are young and still studying. In your busy schedule, you can do some community service by visiting a blind school or an orphanage or an old age home. Those who you can teach the poor and needy. Those who have more time can join the Satya Sai Seva organization and join the youth program there. Become part of the Satya Sai institutions and serve.
एजुकेशन बनाम एजुकेयर या फिर एजुकेशन एवं एजुकेयर। भगवान बाबा ने कहा है ज्ञान दो प्रकार का है। एक का संबंध बाह्य वस्तुओं के ज्ञान से है। इस शक्ति को मन प्रकट करता है। हृदय अथवा अंतरात्मा अंतर्निहित ज्ञान को बाहर निकालती है। जीवन आदर्श बन जाएगा जब ये दोनों प्रकार का ज्ञान समन्वित होकर प्रकट होंगे। इन दोनों का नाम है एजुकेशन एवं एजुकेयर। अपने प्रोफेशनल करियर में भी मेरा यही अनुभव रहा। जो भी सफलता मैंने प्राप्त की, जिन उद्देश्यों को मैं पूरा कर पाया या करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, उसमें सांसारिक ज्ञान यानी एजुकेशन का योगदान सीमित है, मगर एजुकेयर का योगदान असीमित है।
Bal Vikas has brought out so many good habits in each one of us through Swami, in good and bad times, which only multiply in the years to come.
एजुकेशन डिप्लोमा के दीक्षांत समारोह के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। बाल विकास के 9 वर्ष के पाठ्यक्रम को पूरा करने पर विद्यार्थियों को यह डिप्लोमा प्रदान किया जाता है। किसी भी दीक्षांत समारोह में डिप्लोमा या डिग्री के साथ एक शपथ ली जाती है। ओम श्री साई राम।
ओम श्री साई राम।
हम यहाँ पूर्ण निष्ठा से घोषणा करते हैं तथा शपथ लेते हैं कि श्री सत्य साई पद्धति के डिप्लोमा को प्राप्त करने पर जिसके लिए हमें विधिवत अनुशंसित किया गया है, हम अपने मन, वचन और कर्म से पूर्णतः धर्म संगत तथा उत्कृष्ट चरित्र पर आधारित व्यवहार करेंगे। हम अपने संपूर्ण सामर्थ्य के अनुसार अपने माता पिता के लिए प्रेम तथा सेवा का भाव रखेंगे। हम इस सिद्धांत पर चलते हुए जीवन बिताने का प्रयास करेंगे कि जाति केवल एक है, मानवता की जाति। धर्म केवल एक है, प्रेम का धर्म। और इस प्रकार से दैनिक जीवन में मानवता, नैतिकता तथा आध्यात्मिकता
मानवता, नैतिकता तथा आध्यात्मिकता
जैसे उच्च आदर्शों के लिए हम अपना सहयोग दे पाएंगे। जय साई राम।
जय साई राम।
This year, the trophy for the outstanding alumnus of Sri Sathya Sai Bal Vikas, Delhi NCR, is being awarded to Sri Raman Pasricha-ji. Started his Bal Vikas with his guru, Mrs. Savi Prakash. I now request Mr. Chima to award the diploma to the Sri Sathya Sai Bal Vikas students. Poonam Chauhan. Sangeeta Chauhan. Kavita Bhatt. Aarti Thakoria. Jyoti Chauhan. Shalini Rawat. Madhuri Sharma. Aarti Saraswat. Ashna Kharbanda. Mani Ahuja. Neehu Bakshi. Shikha Kumar. Sarita Kumari. Nisha Kumari. Phool Kumari Chandra. Phool Kumari. Som Kumari Chandra. Ruchi Baba. Nidima Baba. Suhani Arora. Sanjeevi Arora. Samiksha. Priya Kumar. Now the boy, Vishal Pandey. Gaurav Thapa. Manoj Thapa. Vishal Thapa. Abhishek Rawat. Pavan Mandal. Pavan Kumar Paswan. Vittu Paswan. Vijay Kumar. Vipin Kumar. Rahul Singh. Pankaj Kumar. Vanti Jyoti Singh, Aman Tiwari, our beloved Swami for giving us this joy of holding the benediction ceremony for the first time in Delhi NCR. I would like to thank and pay gratitude to all the Bal Vikas Gurus, past and present, who have nurtured Swamis and Satya Sai Bal Vikas with love and dedication. Jai Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vikas